Alright you guys, so this is my version of our St. Patty's Day shirt. It is the X shirt with the colors of the flag, the Irish flag. We were gonna do a 4-leaf clover, but I just wanted to do something different because I've seen a lot of 4-leaf clovers. And also, in case you didn't notice, we kind of did our video without the audio because we lost the audio, unfortunately, but I was trying to talk you through it because I really wanted you to hear what I had to say about doing the shirt, and I know you guys like that, and I know some of you like my voice. So that's why you didn't hear me talk, and that is also probably going to be true for the tapestry video because we tried to do it with that one too. So until we figure that out, that's going to be the video, but it should be fairly quickly, so don't worry about that. So it probably will be a text video, but if you're excited to see this, hit that like button because I'm excited and I would like to see your excitement. If you have any other ideas for any future St. Patty's Day shirt, comment down below because that would be awesome. And this shirt is going to go up on my Etsy shop. There is a link in the description below and up in my channel art. So if you like it, come check it out at my shop. Ew, that looks awesome. And if you can't already tell, I have my St. Patty's Day shirt on. Luckiest mom ever. Alright, ready? Yeah! That looks super cool. So this has the colors of the Irish flag in an X shirt. So the back looks the same. So I got the green up by the collar with a little bit of white, and then at the bottom it's all the X. But this is the coolest thing ever too, because when you open the shirt up on the sides, it looks even cooler, but you'll see that. So if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and then hit the notification bell because then you'll be updated every single time I post. Thanks for watching.